In today's video, I'll show you on how you can export live MT4 or 5 data to Excel. So the first thing that we want to do is to enable a setting here on MetaTrader. Click on Tools, click on Options, and then you want to head over to Server. In here, you want to make sure that you already have your account logged in. And simply inside this page, there's going to be another setting called Enable DDE Server. So just click on it. Basically, the option will simply look something like this. Right after, we can open the DDE sample Excel file by heading over to the MetaTrader, click on File, and then you want to click on Open Data Folder. You will see a DDE folder inside this folder right here. So just click on the Excel file and you will see the DDE sample. So in here we have different commands. You can connect your MetaTrader to Excel. You can add new instruments, codes, rows, and columns, and update data from low, high, ask, and bid price. So this is the command right here. You can just type them out on Excel. I'll show you more examples. So we have bid request, ask request, high request, low request, and more. Now you can simply do a lot more inside the Excel right here, like this one. This is going to be an example, but to make this video shorter, that is going to be it. You want to head over to the settings once again, enable DDE, and you will be able to find it inside the app data right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.